This is a video request from Michael I Transitioning, and he asks if I can integrate Microsoft services in Sim AI as I did with Google services. The easiest way to build that is with a Zapier MCP, because I wanted to give a quick solution. For this video, I didn't use Sim AI locally, but in the cloud. Okay, let's get back to business. Add a manual trigger. Go to Settings, because we need to configure Zapier MCP. I have already configured an MCP server. Let's delete it and build it again. Go to mcp.zapier.com, new MCP server. For client, choose OpenAI API, give it a name, and create the MCP server. Go to Add Tool and choose Microsoft Outlook. Add all Microsoft Outlook tools and connect to your Microsoft account. I have a personal account and it's already connected. Go to the Connect tab and copy the MCP server URL. Go back to Sim AI, but first we need to copy the name of the server. Transport, leave it as it is. Copy again the server URL. Paste it. Add a header, which is authorization. Add a header, which is authorization, and for value, copy this string. Add server. And now we have all Outlook features connected to Sim AI. Let's add an MCP block. Let's choose our server. And for tool, we are going to use Microsoft Outlook. Find emails in specific folder. Let's go back to the Zapier MCP webpage. Go to Find Emails in Specific Folder, and we need to add our folder that we are using for this project. Go to Configure, and for folder, I chose Research Folder because I have this folder as a child for the Inbox folder in my Outlook. Let's add an agent and give some instructions. We want our agent to keep ID, subject, from metadata. For the user prompt, add the content from the MCP server. For the model, it is recommended to use GPT-5 because Zapier can create very large outputs that GPT-4, for example, does not have the ability to process. GPT-4 has some limits. Let's add a JSON schema because we want a specific response format. And that's all. Let's test our app. I forgot to give some instructions for the MCP tool. I will show you these instructions in a moment. Get only the latest 3 emails from my Outlook inbox. Do not return cached or sample data. Let's test it again. Let's see our Outlook. In the folder Research, I have already 3 emails generated with GPT. Let's compare them to what the agent has processed so far. Let's go to this full draft email. The subject is OK. We have something related to 64% of respondents say they already use at least one AI tool. 21% say they have a pilot or POC running, and it's correct. Let's see the second email. The subject is OK. And for the body, we can see Mihai's competitor review summarized. We see Flow Suite, TaskBeam, etc. I think it's correct. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.